Richard Brown, Jamaican. I try sometimes. Up and lie sometimes. System in Jamaica make a grown man cry sometimes. Curiosity. I'm in the valley of decision. When we come on that the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. I'm cool though. All who a fight on no fool though. Man cool though. Let the breeze I blow. Yeah, the thing I'm say. See the thing what they do. They got no love for me, they got no love for you. I don't talk a lot, I do action. You think you know me, but you don't. You say you will, but I know that you don't. And you won't.
Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and we're here with a gentleman who wanted to be or wants to be a soldier from a very tender age. However, I'm not sure of his circumstances.
More tell them a story, man. This is how I'm born. Me say me a soldier, right? And me a train. Me a train for years. Me a train. Watch move with them. And like a Rambo them move or something move too. You know, I don't water me a crawl through and all them things there and dream about to become a soldier. And by the time we done training and go up car camp, them tell me say me too old. I don't spend much years that you understand some of you know, they say if you can help me now, then put me in the force to become a soldier. Because I want to be a soldier for a long time. That's my dream to be a soldier. You don't know where you can do for me because I see you make Popeye turn millionaire. Want you make me turn soldier. Talk to government, talk to everybody in the world. You have me born to be a soldier. The age don't really make no difference. The age is no difference, you don't understand. I'm tall enough, I'm bad enough, you understand? I'm serious enough. If we catch some boy, I'm kick down some boy. If the boy in Jamaica afraid I'm a soldier. What you can do for me?
Alright, so you guys heard the play of the gentleman. He wants to become a soldier. I'm asking the public if you have any information on that. Please share it with us here at Jamaican TV so that we can transfer the information to him.
To change my name is Soji.
Okay, so his name is now Soji.
Yeah.
Alright, so please provide the information so that we can assist Soji here. He's very determined, and when it comes to being a soldier, he's very ecstatic about it, as you all can see. So we are awaiting your response in regards to the information.
Then ask me this.
No, sir. So they're not. Sorry, no soldiers. So they're
Yeah, man, because I'm master of Timor, we don't nobody see my face. You understand? You're a real soldier.
No, look more now.
Yeah. Make sure you be safe here.
Yeah, man, take care too, yeah.
Alright, later.
No man, a bad man a routine, you see?
Yeah. Brown man.
Oh, I pray, mama.
Where you there?
You know, some dip on the road, though.
My man no there, you know you can't come in now.
You know, so do I'm not to one company, NCB, I'm not to trust the NCB, I'm not to trust the rest of the bad man.
Oh, I'm telling you, man, in Ghana work. In Ghana work, you not come back for now.
I'm not to trust the NCB, you know, coming on.
Just come, man, in Ghana work. You are going to my youth, you are going like you're a coward. You are chicken?
You know if you're a man thing, you know if you're a man a bad man, I mean, I
I'm saying Ghana work, you not come back for now.
Alright then.
Alright.
Dip on the road.
May I wait for you?
Alright then.
I used to walk on a wine, so a long time I like you, you know.
I know why you like me, you know. What you talk to me for? You a soldier or police? Eh?
What make you behave, so a long time I like you, you know.
Listen, me, sir. You no soldier or police. And there's something there. Soldier man or police thing there. Straight.
Alright, everything good, man. Everything good. Thing good, man.
So yo, cuz, I'll do a place now. Yeah, that place is safe, Papa.
Yeah, man, it's safe, man. Not because it look like this, but it's good, man. As I say, a long time I live as some live run at the back. And just don't want to make a little extra money for rent out or so. So, it's good, man. Just need to make ensure so you have my money at one time. Not because me your cousin, me not kill up on the price, but make sure so you have my money at one time. Still.
Yeah, go on, so man. You know, say, remember, say, my pay sure every month, you know.
Yeah, man, but me have to ensure so me have money. So you go.
One good thing, I just want because I know how it work coming already. You understand me? So I just want to make sure I'm there somewhere, but safe, and I don't have to do to worry. You see me? You can hang on my thing them on the line and everything. I'm not have to worry about it.
You're good, man. Yeah, we have privacy. I'm work too, you know, so. All I say, you just need to ensure so you have the money at one time, because you know you have to use them to take care and bills to pay.
So like how my cousins were different. I know so when them a charge, they want 1 month in back.
No man, me and your cousin, man, but just pay for 1.5 a month. So you see me? Me not kill it. Just do the right thing.
So you what going on now? Yeah, Papa. I go down in the town and sort out something. So I just want to secure them for me.
Another bug you too.
Although you see me with it and I'm buying a government property and military thing, I just work for them, you see me? So secure it.
Nothing in there for mash.
I just make sure I say secure, man.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man.
So,
I sort out that and forward back, see?
Alright,
Yeah, man.
Tell the furniture man, tell me your name.
Alright, no problem, Papa.
Yeah. Your bossy. Alright. Me a forward now. Alright, yeah, me a forward now.
Just that is more about me, you know what I mean? I'm not going all about police, you know what I mean? I can't don't care what I feel, you know what I mean? So, how you cook some more chicken for?
You know, say me I go give Megan some. We not good, but me nah go cook on the biryani.
Alright, so anyway, when I done a look about this here, tell me more pick up some carrot and something, yeah? You're good though?
Yeah, man, you do.
She's a good girl there when I get to work out, that's all. You know, me say working.
Yeah, man, you know, me not feel my answer you right now, so me no must miss it.
Alright, I'm going for the work.
Alright.
But more write up something on the phone, so more something from the word though. So you're just fucking all this and keep on the work, you know what I mean? Yeah?
Okay, no problem.
But no, wait till I done fire up the thing, you do the thing, yeah?
Alright. Me have something to talk to you about.
Yes, I know.
I don't even know how to put this to you because I don't want to go sound now with your daughter.
But anyway, you talk about me, I smell it. You sure say no, but no?
I think it's about
Anything you want to tell me, no, say long, so you tell me no. Go on and come back. Check it
check
for
it and come back.
I'm going to help boss me things for you to eat. So I got to work.
It's a boy. It's only that one fish. I'm like, you didn't see my fish.
Yeah, where you say now?
About your daughter, I ask you about. You sure for your pitney?
I think some of you though.
You're not sure that the pitney did not look like a you. He not clean. He behavior no good. He thief. And one whole list back of that. You need to do one DNA. Me suggest you do one DNA. You know what him say?
DNA, I do something, you know. But plus, I'm telling you next thing for DNA. Our mother, she favor her mother enough. I said, she look, I said her mother look. You know what I mean? So, me know she should not favor me and things. So, me as a priest say, yo, her mother take everything off her. You know what I mean? And maybe you take teeth in off her rest of her family. But me, I say differently from that though. DNA is very expensive. When we go find DNA money in my time, you know.
Listen to me. I have one cousin who know about them there someday. All you need to do is give me fear toothbrush and fear toothbrush. And me go give him and he will carry down my lab. I mean, I think he got take no heap a long time. But you're gonna know the truth. You deserve to know the truth. You not deserve to go through all of this because of pick me.
Yeah man, so you know one way me I say if it's my youth and DNA is very tricky for you know. So what if me do the DNA now and I find out say enough me pick me. If in my teeth you know, you go to no worse a thief. And if in the bad you go worse a bad, you go feel left out in the world. But
all of this are not going to feel fault, you know.
the toothbrush did there. Them did there. Do it then. We see what I go on differently, but it's very tricky for you though. You know what I mean? In case like this. Because so my time I want to look up thing in the mind me I say I wonder. You know what I mean? Yeah. So because even the neighbor, the same neighbor here cough there. I saw some my time. I'm not in Jamaican house some near somebody a cough here hear it. You know what I mean? But different from that though. I said the neighbor dash jacket too. You know what I mean? So realize the jacket thing is not really a new something to Jamaica and a long time. I got a quote for the little people there and never do a DNA yet. Come to mind, but so my time I don't have money for doing it at all. So if you say if your cousin go up charge if you do it?
No, he not going to charge me no because of family thing. Trust me, you need to know the truth. Your mother care you go a quote too much time, get too much money off of you. Suppose you end up as you know him pa. What go do? Listen to me. And the little girl really need to know her true father be community. She'd even respect you in her first place. Probably she will respect her other father. Just saying.
So well that's what I say now. Too much for the brain. Yeah, I have too much things to focus, but I have some house to work on right now. And did you turn off the stove and do what you do? Alright, so more I do now. Put on my thing pan it, come here feel something stuff. Put on my vegetable, make it go on, deal it. You know what I mean? More jump in the shower and then get ready to go up on the work. You know what I mean? I have enough things to do today. So you do that and then we cross a bridge when you cross it. What you do today different from that?
Probably lay down and sleep and nothing to do. Or watch the movie.
And if you find out son of my pitney, I go breed you. You see pill I take. Because I know if you take a pill, I not say nothing, you know. Because there's no this a strike off, yeah, strike so. And now go on. And I carry a doctor that say good. And I carry myself go. And he says sperm them a shot. So I don't understand. You understand? So I know something go on. You understand?
You see pill them, so why you that like you see them?
I see them, but some tell them I'm a sweetie. And I don't know about woman business, I don't want to know about it. Because know say if the pitney are not mine, you need to breed.
Anyways, when you reach that bridge, we cross it. Like you say.
Put on the cabbage and something because I want them to come out of the shower. Here?
Alright, no problem.
You know, so you need to breathe, yeah? Let me in the breathe, you know.
Breathe.
Hello, now you may talk, you know. Hello. When you have people talk, you get in bad night, you know. Because I know you look like fresh and what you Yo, hey, come here.
Yes, Daddy.
Away there for morning.
Up the road.
Where you up the road?
Look for my friend.
You have to wake up the yard for man. You have to play them.
No, Daddy.
Come wash out the plate them and go brush your teeth. Brush your teeth for man. Come on down. Go wash out the plate them. Go and go brush. You have to wait. Go and wash your teeth first. I don't want you to play the plate them and not to brush your teeth then. Before you wash the plate them, where's the yard for morning though? You know wake up the yard or nothing. When you go with and brush your teeth, not to take a toothbrush up. Go in house and take up a toothbrush and go brush your teeth, girl. Go on in for your toothbrush.
No, the food don't cook. You wash up the plate them?
No.
So you come ask about food. You not to wash plate for eat, but you want to come ask about. My girl, go wash up the plate them. I'm ready for some black cookie or something. No, do nothing, no man. Man, you broke my plate, you know. Me how she plate them, you come and say, what problem? If you break it, you buy it. Me tell you that. No, do nothing, man. No, do nothing, no. You don't get nothing now. How's that for your house?
You, come here.
Why went so, G?
I go want your number. Put your number in this.
You know how long I want a soldier, man? A God send you come. Make sure you call me, you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yeah. Soldier man, you want soldier man, you get. More.
So what happened?
No, somebody are going easy. And I don't think I can drink.
No. Can't get something over shop though. What do you want?
No, so do I don't want red stripe beer. We don't want.
Want you can.
Alright, go on over there, go get you there now.
Alright, me soon come.
Alright. Thanks. Welcome.
Go on.
But where the part?
Yeah, easy, man. You know, say up the road, I say I walk go as me say I walk go there, you me buck up in. Remember the work where you say I get for me, you see? So it go.
It's because me just say clean and work. Can't to bring in nobody on the work yet, dog. Big man thing. But as soon as we can make a come in on the work, make a forward. You see me? Because they are going now, man, see me and I go on easy. Because I have to go link bossy.
I watch no face still, you know. Anytime you start out, man, just give me a link.
They see these in the normal and that. Yo, you better grow in the yard right now, go see what going around there. Yo, they see these in the normal in the dog. Oh, you see these, so?
Yeah.
Alright.
Babes! 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 What me do, man? How fast it pass out there, so too? Love company. Babes! Babes! What me do, man? Babes! Babes!
Me can't knock down your door, sir.
It takes so long for me door.
Be asleep.
How fast it pass that?
I don't even know when them they reach this, sir.
So me left and come back from it.
Yeah, oh, you come back so early.
Babes, you had a drink called beer and it's cold. You smoke. What really are going on, sir? Eh?
Aye.
Yo! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, man. Boy, what are you doing at my house? Boy, what are you doing at my place?
You know what my cousin do?
Your cousin from whose side?
I don't know, you know.
What your father name?
Not even know, you know.
Yo, it's true me and the Babylon them in a things already. Maybe not mash you up in a boy. Come out of my house, man.
I'm taking things them then.
Take up your beer and come out of my place, boy.
Alright.
Come out of my place. Come out of my place, boy. You have man in my place naked, you know, mash me for mash you up now, you know. How you deal with? I rent house gear and give everything in the house. I left our money with you at the time. And I this you come do.
Be, I don't like that, you know. I don't like that. Remember when you did bring the girl down the road? What me did say? Me not take you in back.
So bun for bun.
I don't like that. I just too beer there, I drink and you know, things happen.
You know, say, you can't stay over here tonight, though. Cause me need some time, man. You see, you have to go over your mother go stay. No, man, come. Just come, man. Come. You need some time, man. Just come.
Alright, bossy, that gone way first. Swan next one. Come again. Yeah, boss. I hold a leak and fall, so that come.
Want to go and Popeye? You say you there?
What you do me that? You don't know say you frighten me, man.
I'm for frightened. You know from when me I walk and I look for you?
So what you look for me for? As far as me can see, somebody fat you up already.
Yeah, somebody fat me up and you would do it.
Who breed you? What you say to me, mama?
What you mean when me I say? You not look, you not say, how long now you not see me?
How
And
you
you do
breed?
it.
How you breed? How me breed you?
You do it from the last time I see you in my dream.
Me breed you? No, man. How me breed you?
Right now, 100,000 I need. 100,000 for go do ultrasound for we baby. Yeah? That me a deal with.
Trust me, to what me see you take up there now, you don't need 100,000 they call from me. No, you have smoke until now. You have to tap some work.
Ah, you make me a walk and a smoke.
You know good for the baby.
You make me a walk and a smoke all about because I'm stressed
Me
out
say
and
go
I
back
can't
in
find it. You know
tell you
see,
now, go
right
back
now
in
I
your
want all a
gym.
drink.
Go
You know
back.
see, my lip, look on my lip, me need something.
Hold on, we're going to
Aye,
boss.
mind my
We're going,
stomach. Mind my stomach.
Tell me ugly face breathing when I sleep.
Here, I'm go see you.
Yo, yeah, man.
Look up for me and don't touch me. Let me go.
I know fear thing, man. I know fear style, man. Nobody foolishness. Watch, stop.
Was,
Stop. Come on, come style the boss thing. Come on, 5 feet. Come on, 5 feet. I try to embarrass the boss. Take up your something. Watch out. Take them up. Take them up. Take them up. You're a big man, you know, man. You can't make any girl try to take your feet off, you know.
You mean you won't say him breathe for me in I sleep?
And I sleep.
So you know say it's a mad woman that.
Don't move. Come on, sit down, man. Sit down, man. You know, say we there's against the law.
But them say you can't have a spliff.
Let me have a spliff. Give me that. And hold this.
I mean, bum for all this. Where you try to beat me up?
No,
I
man.
mean, for all this.
No fret, man. I'm me, man. No fret, man. I'm me, man. No fret, man. Everything good, man.
You turn soldier now, man.
Yeah, man.
So you turn soldier, you know, go up a camp them.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. Everything good, you see. Make sure say you keep your mouth shut, you know. Yo, do your right thing, you know. Do the right thing. You see me? Now walk out the road. Yo, put on your phone. Put on your phone, listen. Hands up. Come closer. Why you look like a scammer, sir?
You know, some scammer do a boss.
You're a scammer. You're doing so much money.
Oh,
so what you waste? You're a scammer.
You're not a scammer, boss. You're not a scammer.
Alright. So, all the full of tongues, mark up. Warm to your colour. Eh? Warm to your colour where you're born with. Yeah, government money not good. So, for me. Yo, turn around. Listen, warm to your colour. You have bleacher, scammer.
Man, a scammer. I'm tell her already, man.
Turn on. Make sure you can follow instruction in a board.
Yes, boss.
Yo, go down. 10. Give me 10. Start. Can I start yet, boy?
So what me can do 10, sir?
Yo. One beep back your color in your boy. Eh? Get up. You can run.
Foot you broke one time now, sir. Bike accident.
Take up your foot, them and run. Take up. Yo.
Oh, yeah, no, Alton. You see this, you know? Trust you with it. Go to our bank and lodge it right away.
Alright, me change off. No problem. Me just change off.
Alright, hurry up.
Boss, let me drive the bus now.
No, Alton, just take a bike taxi. We have other business to do.
Boss, give me a drive off my bus now.
No, Alton, man, just take bike taxi, man. We put $10,000 in my bag for you. We have other things to do.
Alright, respect, boss.
No, Alton, take a bike taxi, man. We put $10,000 in for you too, so you know, have no problem with bike.
Alright, respect.
You have some business to go deal with, otherwise some that. But me go and check my account to see if the money reach. So no delay, you know.
Pauline, give me a minute there. Come here.
Oh, go on. Long time I not see you know. You good?
I'm kind of alright, but not so alright. You know the way there?
You know, you understand.
Anyway, me like your hair. You look nice.
I me do it with you know.
Eh, you look pretty.
Thanks.
You can't do mine like that?
No problem, man. So what you say you going on now?
You know, so me kind of hungry. Me not eat nothing from morning. You have no food over your yard, can you give me?
No, so I'm going to look at overnight food me have so on Sunday, Monday. You want it?
You know, some other eat it though, because me not have nothing else to eat. What me go do, I not eat from morning.
Come for your food, come go dish out some for you.
Before you go for the food, you know, some me don't want to talk to you about something.
What you want to talk to me about now?
You know, so me not have nowhere to stay. Me not have nowhere to stay. That's why I come to you. To talk to you about now anywhere where they rent. You know where they rent?
You know, so me have one room around there, so. I don't know if you want it, you know. I go rent it though.
You know, so me I go want it. Wouldn't mind you give it to me. But you see, the pain or renting, it not go work out for me right now because me dey work and me lose my job and me not have no money. But you can give me it, and as soon as things pick up, cause me go look work, you know. Me will pay you your money. Any money when me owe you, me pay. I true nothing not go on now, you understand?
Why that not sound good to me, you know?
Me pay your money,
then
man.
Suppose you not get no work, how me I go get my pay?
Yo, me say, last night that round night party, me stay so bumps in that corner, man. The girl I go on normal. So then you see me? I see over there, dog, but you know, I think come down there, I just go and make a love how she look and neat, you know?
Man, feel you carry home.
And then I get to go home, man.
Soft, man.
No, dog, in the panini, you know.
God know.
But I get her number still, so.
A good thing, man. But yo, it's a make one run, go do that one crime.
Alright, do you much?
Nothing there.
Alright, I'm there going now, man. I'm there going now, man.
I have a friend for a long time, but that one there too serious for me right now. You have to go see if you get somewhere else, yeah?
You can't just help me, please, because I have nowhere to go.
Me can't right now. Me want money. How it a go? If you not pay no rent, light bill have to pay, water bill have to pay, food have to come in at the house. Everything I got there on me. Me sorry about that, man. Me can't go down a route there right now. See if you get somewhere else. Check.
I have to go right now.
Alright, walk good.
Yo, mama, you know, so I left one black bag right there, so.
No, which bag? I don't see no bag.
Could have sworn I left one black bag right there, so a while ago, and go away a while ago.
I don't come and come see no bag. Where you come and come about bag for? I don't know about no bag. Tell us I don't see no bag, but you still ask me to see bag.
Yo, bad bro. When we out there, so I drink a while ago. You know, some left the bag when I have one. Alright, let's see how it goes. I'm there walk and look for from the morning. Alright. Yo, I know say I call you, you know. But I have to call link you, dog. You know say the bag when I have on my shoulder. You remember the bag?
Yeah.
You know say I some money in it for the boss. Like, I left the bag there, so dog, I'm in a seat. So I wonder for sure say you
No, man, I tell me get up in the morning, take up your room. And the trace there and take her come more now.
Dog, I left the bag there and like somebody go there and take up the bag, dog.
But I know that's my thing different, dog. I'm gonna do that to you. You see me, dog? Because right now, I'm there, dog, stressed out. You see me? Because even my daughter have bone cancer right now and I overseas. Them are pray to make she go. You see me? Because they try the treatment out there and nothing, no help. So right now, I'm there stressed out, brother. Over 28,000. We have to find right now. I don't even know if you start from. You see me?
Boy, John, no, dog. I wish I could have helped you. But I even so bossy, but bossy, I know somebody from the media. Where she help Bossy if you get rich.
Oh,
So me chat to Bossy and say if Bossy can make she come link you.
yeah, man, do the right thing, man.
Make
I
she-
really appreciate it.
Yeah man, cause he work, you know. Cause she make Bossy get rich.
Hey, make a link for me, man. I know she can do interview, man. I really need the help, man. It's alright, man. We're there, man.
Yeah, man.
General, I know say, you know somebody go down the road a while ago. We just miss some blue jump, man. You know somebody move with the jump.
I don't see nobody on your way.
Just say from blue jump right there, my boss.
I don't see nobody. I work me come off, I don't see nobody. You know, see I one little thief in girl, I know in our community do, and my face say she do it.
Alright then, that's our word.
Yeah man, alright. Get up! Get up! Get up! What if you man jump for? What if you man jump for, eh? Eh?
Why?
Get up! Lift up the jump, lift up the jump. Open it, open it. Empty jump, your thief, empty jump. Go in it. Go in it. Go in the jump.
How?
Go in the jump. Go in the jump. Put in your foot then. 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 Yo, go in the jump. Go. Go. you a lesson. This will teach you a lesson. This will teach you a lesson. Come on. Come on. You care about the man barrel. Cover it. Cover it. Cover. Give me 20 push-up, sir. 20. 20 push-up. Get down. Start. You don't start yet. No, get it. Get up. Give me 20. Continue. Give me 20. Alright, you want 20 of this instead of 20 push-up? 20. 20. 20. 20. Get up. Get up. 30. Get up. Get up. Get up. Your teeth can't spell teeth. Take up the man bar. Yeah, stop running. Walk. You lost the way. You lost the way. Can you carry a man barrel? We're not done yet. You carry a man barrel, so go out so. Walk! Walk! Take up your jump. Put it on your head. Put it on your head! And that's how you work. You don't work like this. What your appearance?
What are they offering?
Alright, you see the next time you hear anything or even see you in the street, you go to school. How old are you? Eh? Hello? Are you me to talk to? How old you be?
Old enough.
Alright, me have somewhere to put you. See next time me hear nobody. Hello, looking at my face. You're looking at my face. Okay, I understand. Okay. Okay. Understand, say you have whole heap of attitude. Understand, say you have whole heap of attitude. You see, the next time me hear nothing about or see you with anybody things, eh? Me I carry go a police station. Them you know what to do with you. And your parents, mother and your father. Them you know what to do with you. You get me?
Me hear you.
You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Or it seems like that now go work. Don't let me see you back on the road again. Don't make me see you back on the road again. You carry go a station. And them I will know what to do with you and your parents. You get me? Don't let me see you back on the road. Go home.
Miss Cynthia!
Yes,
Come here, miss.
just a minute.
Can I talk to you a minute, please?
Yes.
Alright.
What is it now?
Miss Cynthia,
Yes.
good evening.
Good evening.
I come to talk to you because I really don't have anywhere to stay. And I ask you if you could have made me stay with you, please.
Me not have the convenient to put you up. But I really want to put you, but me not really have the convenient to put you up.
Please, may I beg you to put me up because I don't have nowhere to sleep. A roadside me sleep on.
Me understand your dilemma, but as me tell you, say, me not really have the space. I just one little room. I know how much I win in the one little room, so me not really have the convenient to put you up. Me sorry.
Nobody say me I bother you too much. Me have something to tell you. Like
Yes.
it bother me chest too much. Me can't keep it for my stomach. My mother not grow me so. You understand? My conscience a kill me.
Alright, let me
I ask
hear
you to
you.
give me one advice.
Alright.
You know, so since then I walk on the road and when I catch at the bridges, you know, like what they call it, but and me a rest and when I look on it, I see one black bag with money in there.
What you do with it?
Me not use no knife. Me have it in my bag.
Well, for your conscience I beat you.
Mm-hmm.
If you hear anybody ask for it, you give it back to them. Because you see, sometimes where honesty is the best policy. And sometimes you gain more than what it in the bag.
Thank you, Miss Cynthia. Alright.
From morning I send it to the bank. I know I can't get no response. It just opened the message a while ago. What happened? What happened? Well, go on. Where do you mean to see up on the end, Daddy? If I start by the rich man them, now see up on the ends again, Danny. Switch up your thing, God.
Yo, me there going normal, say me man, but I true. Boss give me some money if you go bank fee.
If I start by the rich man them, brother, you rich and switch out you out.
Brother, relax, sir.
I look like you're hide. Where are you, sir?
Relax, sir, dog. I move, sir. Relax, man, car. I saw money me last, dog, today. I lost some money today, dog. Cause boss give me some money if you go bank. And like me left here one place, cause me there work, isn't it? And I have to look out of my eye then, cause me know boss catch me, you know. No, boss catch me, cause he call me from there. I can't answer him, man, dog.
Alton, listen, I've been checking my account again and again, and I'm not seeing the money in the account. I need to know what happened to my money because. So it's a careless, brother. Last man money in a them time, you.
Brother, I no careless, dog. Should even know, mate. And like, say me nobody me can borrow money from you in a night. Cause right now, some enough money in a day me there I place my youth, and me tell you. I'm say so bomb some day I go and braff with me and I go and normal, so me and my nigga there. And like me left, me take off the bag, you see me, and put it down. And by the time I left, dog, and come back, me no see money.
No problem that you know. Yo, so you can do still and take time, max it out still, you know.
Just do the right thing, man.
It's alright, man.
Yeah, so I go on normal, see me, you know, because I even want boss here pass and see me.
Yo,
And see me out there.
see that talk, you know, brother.
Me there, someone do you right, man. Do you right?
Alright, me link.
You know how long me I look for you?
Mm.
A whole night me I look for you.
What you looking for?
You know say me find the money though.
You really find the money?
Yes. You hug me up too long, me give him to me. I want him money, me go give.
Yo, me not telling you, me thank you.
See here, I'm being fine.
Yo, you don't know what you do for me in the night, you know, because I almost have a heart attack. You lost all bossy money.
God know me couldn't keep it. Me have to carry for and give you.
Yo, me thank you. Thank you. You don't even know. I don't know what you were saying. So where are we at, man?
All my money in there, not true?
Yeah, man, everything there, man, but right now, it's because of my money, so just hold this and respect. Respect. Just probably buy one water or something and go on normal. You see me? I could just go on normal, but me thank yourself, because many Jamaicans don't do this. You see me? Enough people, dishonest out there, and they want to do this. Me thank you. Appreciate it right now. You don't know what you do for me in the night. I mean, me really appreciate it. Thank you.
So $100 you really give me hungry, you know?
When me see you
Could I
again,
buy one food
what you know?
for me?
Which part you live? As soon as me get
I
paid,
live no way.
as soon as me get paid, me I carry one piece of money come give me. Me appreciate it. Thank you.
Alright.
Me thank you. Me can link boss here now. Straight to God. Appreciate it. Thank you, mama. Thank you. Respect you. Here. Respect you. Yo, bossy. Boy, me see you miss call him and say, you know, me see all the WhatsApp messages, but God know. Show something go down to him, me couldn't even get to come link you, come back so early, but me sort it out now, so which part there?
Me just reach, me park up out of my gate. Me a wait.
Run your yard. Alright, me I walk on link you, right? Alright.
Whole day, me there check for online. We see if the money reach my account and all no all time. And I like say me I'll give extra money. What problem?
Boy, bossy. You don't even want to know what I'm going to you. You know, some lost the money today. I'm end up somebody find me and bring it back on give me. That's why I couldn't take a call. I couldn't even take a call on this. Because I see your phone and ring and something. But you me lost the money. And yeah, I couldn't take a call, man. After me, me can't, I don't know, start. Yeah.
You really careless enough. If you gonna lose the money and from morning and up on the time now. How you end up finding back?
Boy, I want a woman like she a pass and find the money and good enough to carry back and give me. I see all the money we give me for myself this man, me all right me end up having give me whole 10 grand. Me end up giving. But tomorrow me can go down to the bank and go do it back early as day break.
Well, to tell you the truth, you know, you better give me it, you know, because I'm not too just enough again, you know. Because you make mistake today, you know. I mean, I want tomorrow, you go tell me, say, man, take it this time, you know. So let me just take it, and me will do what I have to do. So, link me a morning, we are going for a tour. What have a shower, man, from day and I see him close, man.
Boss, I say things going on me there to make sure I find back your money, you know, but you have an appointment, you know, and girl, and night. So, I can go on now, man.
Try not breathe, you know.
So, I must say things, but one, do you right.
Alright.
Hi, my Jamaihood Massive, my Jamaihood Thieves. We're here with Papa Matalan. I'm not sure if you guys remember his story, and he is now a millionaire and he's giving back to the people of the community, to the children. So we have some ice cream here and some fruit cake that we're going to give back to the children, courtesy of Popeye, the millionaire.
Yeah. And if you want a fruit cake, just call me. Well, this is not only a plaything. This is a serious business. I'm doing a business. If you want a fruit cake, all right, for tourists, $15 US. For Jamaican, 1,500.
All right, boss.
Let the people them taste it and tell me how it tastes.
This is good. This is some good fruit cake.
What
Like he said,
taste in it?
fruits. I'm tasting a lot of fruits.
Yeah, fire. You have to go come home right now because it's an emergency. You really want to see this? Yeah, hurry up and come now. We can't even discuss this over phone. Alright, hurry up. Yeah, me I wait upon you. Ah.
Papa.
You're coming quick. Anyways.
Not say that again. You know, I'm not coming quick. Last night, go along with time. Bad idea.
A serious business, you have
Right,
no time for joke. Come, see your result here.
You know, so I can't read too good now. So tell me what's up. What is it?
Basically, what they say are saying, a 0.0000 chances of hitting me for you.
I'm sweet. Why? You just sit away. Because, I don't know.
No, because no. I don't want to hear nothing. Want her to come out of this place right now. I don't waste time on that little girl. Where's some here say enough for your pitney?
But I know where still. But situation you have to angle it according to how life situation himself. You know what I mean? She know no manners and she this and she that and she but never feel himself. Now we understand why she's like this. Because she's not of my blood. You know what I mean? But that don't mean I'm going to dash her out on her face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call her mother and her mother will try to make a decision what she going to do. She will make somebody else stay with her until she come back and find because I go do her job. But now, you know, I go back and forth and things. See it? So she have to find something to do with that.
Call her now.
But you know, no, I go back on the work. She that work, she must that work. I go call, I go figure it out. Because one day I call her, I talk to her and she that work none of my time. So she call her after, even because that make she have to send some money for her daughter.
So, make we do one now and change your mind, take your mind after that.
No, you want to know. I have a big project I deal with that now. And if they want their house to move in. You know what I mean? So me when neighbor left work and they tell you something I don't like it, you know. People at work next to the yard, they can't hear 2 houses so close up. You know what I mean? So anyway, let's try to move that situation. Now that one bird will come out for us, you can find something different to do. You understand? So you can come go. You go do different from that. May I come back already? But much I done the work and come back. Yeah? Just put on the sexy lingerie. You know what I mean? Sexy lingerie. So we'll move find someone I did them to, you know. We'll get a better house. Later.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, later.
What are you doing now? What are you doing in place? Come here, man. Where are you doing in place? How are you? Which part you come from?
Over there, sir.
Over there, so where? Over who fire they come from?
You don't have to know.
Bro, me for broke up a boat pan here, no man. Where you come from?
Look, I'm through the yard.
I'm through the... Yo, Chody. Chody.
Hello. Give me a call. Give me a second.
Chody.
Yes.
Chody. No, easy yourself, no man, how are you?
What happened here, sir?
Oh, Mr. Chum, no, Nina, I know how over your son living. I not broke her up, you know. Me catch a little girl that I take all my things out of my yard, you know.
Go for me, no?
You see me?
Me and she are no nothing. Me could never be nothing.
So, how she living here?
Let me call somebody who can deal with it.
Who's somebody that?
Give me a...
Yo, easy, no man, stress.
Go for me, no man.
What do you?
Come down a yard again, cause come down a yard right now. And you pick me and some people in some bangarang. Come, hurry up. Yes, alright. Imagine, just hold on.
Nah, let go till him coming up.
Me not wrong, you no let go.
Yo, I have something to deal with still, you know. I'm not going to wait for who favor for coming up. But watch you now. They say me catch her back over my yard, youth. Broke me and broke her up in a youth. Come here, me things them over my yard, you know.
Come in the house. You go along here. Your time soon up.
Where's I going now? I'm going to take out my clothes, so. Where's I going now?
Are you picking one man just get come and say in kitchen in the house?
You go like you again? So me I go while again now. Are you call me now? It's an emergency now. Look girl. Where the name man house?
Daddy never something like it and decides you have to get it.
So you have to go steal for things. What you see me do for things? I work to take care of you. You know how much money me work and give your mother. If I don't work, I think I send money to Congo now.
Well, I see it and I like it, so I decided to get it.
So brighter now. You go to the place and take all them things because you have to get it.
Yeah.
The man just take text and knock you out.
Knock who? Hey.
But anyway, me have a solution to solve the problem. Right? Me fix a way if you go stay with the auntie them.
Auntie?
Auntie go stay with the auntie.
Me? Wrong, somebody.
You can twist up back, chin up your face and rock. You know what I mean? I don't care about that. But when I say you have to go down, so you have to go move. You are go down and your auntie go spend some time.
Then you know, so I think you think you're going to so I think if you got to do something wrong with you.
What you say, little girl? You have to go down, your auntie go stay.
No, go down there. I saw a little girl face.
Oh, yeah,
I cannot tell you man down.
Oh, yeah, come call girl. Hey.
Me try this with your best, you know. I couldn't tell you something hurt your feelings, you know, little girl. But I not tell you nothing. But I tell you, say, you have to go down your auntie go spend some time. Because you know, be yourself. You see, there's plenty of things and everything good to eat, good to talk. But if you know what you know, you stop kimbo and crack and rock so much. Because you're there past your eyelash. You know, the pan your eyelash, you're the worse than that. So pack your bag, okay, go to the road, go put up on bus right now. Not to be in and bed.
Wrong, somebody. What's your weapon?
Come take me, you could have to do.
Help her pack her bag there.
Don't touch nothing for me now. You better sit down.
Where your bag there? Come. Your bag this here. Anything else there for you? Maybe deal with this. We can't come here. Come on. Now got some baby, babes. Got some now. Come on.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning into Jamaican TV. I am Tracy and Blair, and this is another episode of Help If You Can. Today, we're at the home of Jodian. I'm not sure if you guys remember Jodian from our last interview. She was facing some financial constraints and some circumstances. She received a lot of help, and this interview is to extend our profound gratitude to all the people. I'm going to have her speak to you guys on this because she even started a business. That's how much there are people out there with a heart. So Jodian, I want you to explain to the public, what kind of business did you start?
I am now selling ice cream.
And how is the business going from that?
It has been going well, actually.
All right, so the business is blooming, and that's very good. So she's getting in some money from that. So even if she not go in the handbag and work, she get compensation. Yeah. So go ahead and thank all the people that.
I want to thank you all for all the help, for who have helped me and who have also sent their prayers. I really, really appreciate it.
Gratitude is a must.
Thank you, everyone.
Good evening. I am Tracy and Blair, and as you already know, this is Jamaican TV. We're here with Kemeisha, and that is the lovely Kemeisha at the home of Bobby Gay.
Hi.
That's her name, Bobby Gay?
Yes.
No, it's very sad. Bobby Gay suffers from bone cancer, that is it. And she recently got her leg amputated, unfortunately. The doctors at the hospital stated that they did all that they could do to assist her, but now she needs medical assistance from overseas. Now, Kemeisha, along with the rest of her family, has set up a GoFundMe page. I'm going to allow her to provide you guys with the information, guys. I'm pleading to you guys to help if you can. Kemeisha, go ahead.
Alright, hi, good evening. My name is Kemeisha, Bobby Gale Mommy. I will give them the link so they can add it down below so you guys can get it. Anyone wants to get to me here in Jamaica, you can contact me at 349-4252 or 296-4303 and I'll give you further information. But so far, we contact a doctor overseas and he said I'm to come up with about approximately $20,000 US for her to be able to go overseas. So that's what I need help with right now because the cancer is spreading and it is very hard to treat out here.
All right, Kemeisha, what is your daughter, Bobby Gay, experiencing due to the amputation and her sickness?
All right, so far she is having a very difficult time now because from the amputation, she can't really move as how she would want to move as any other child. And even it will get worse now, that's the other leg is acting up. I have to lift her to the bathroom. She cannot move on her own. She has to use a wheelchair. It's very painful. It's very hard for her to sleep at night, uncomfortable because the pain is there. She tried a new chemo since lately, but we haven't seen any changes.
Whew. All right, so you guys heard that. So it's like I stated before, it's very serious, and the children are our future, and we need a future for little Bobby Gay. So how does it affect her schooling? Does it?
Yes, because as one of the side effects from the chemo, it totally let her forget like everything. So most of the times I have to go back over with her. She's 11 and she's at stage like 3 in learning or 5. The chemo take her back all the way down, and it also spread to the lungs. As I said before, it's a very aggressive cancer. It's very hard to treat.
What we're going to do, we're going to go inside and we're going to meet little Bobby Gay. All right, so come with me. We're here with our little fighter, Bobby Gay.
Hey, show them her pretty teeth.
You see, so even though she's fighting, she's still enthused, and we're all depending on you guys to give a helping hand. Like I said it before, the children are our future. So she's pretty, Yes. Look at that. Look at that face. Come on. All right. So this is Bobby Gay, and we're expecting help very soon. You have anything to say to the camera, Carmen?
What I have to say is it's really challenging for me as a mom, but I try my best each and every day. I know you guys will reach out because we're friends, and thanks a lot, guys, for reaching out. Thanks.
All right, so that concludes another episode of Jamaican TV. I am your host, Tracy and Blair. Help if you can.
Yeah. Yeah, we know some guy in the hospital, man. Yo, you cannot even know. Because the whole thing is, am I juice? Him see and take up and drink. You know what I mean? That means that it went said for me directly. You know what I mean? No, man, I'm not down on the block now, man. I'm there. I want place a whole meditation. You know what I mean? Because something I go down. With them time I have to hold a meditation and see what go on around you. You know what I mean? So sometimes you can't stay the same place. You have to step out. Yeah, man, run forward. For reason. Alright. Richard Brown, please. Jamaican.
I try sometimes. But then lie sometimes. System in Jamaica make a grown man cry sometimes.
Curiosity.
I'm in the valley of decision. When we come on that the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. I'm cool though. All who a fight on no fool though. Man cool though. Let the breeze I blow. Yeah, the thing I'm saying. See the thing what they do. They got no love for me, they got no love for you. I don't talk a lot, I do action. You think you know me, but you don't. You say you will, but I know that you don't, and you won't. I try to keep my meditation pure. I give you a lot and still you want more. I'm got to leave you now, right here. I got to leave you now, right here. You're gonna kill me, I swear. And now I'm in the valley of decision. When I come out of the valley, that's when I'll make my decision. You hear me not the valley of decision. When we come out of the valley, you hear my final decision. The world go round and round. You take me up, but you can't put me down. I hear them say they want to crucify. I stay cool and put my trust in on the most side. Barefoot in the jungle, me a chad. Me I talk to myself and people I wonder if me mad. Then I see what go on, how it's so damn sad. Watch Christian them. It's okay though. I say it's okay though. You can't kneel me up and play me like no play though. Mr. 18, 8 out. Babylon want slavery like how them slavery fi build the great house. I see them plan. I'm in the valley of decision. When me come out of the valley, that's when I make my true decision. Kizzy, Chubby Star, the world in a war.
Thank you guys for watching. My name is Richard Brown and you're watching Richard Brown Films. Thank you guys for always supporting the movement. The channel recently got hacked and we were fortunate enough to retrieve back the channel from YouTube. So thank you very much to YouTube and thank you for all the supporters that have been looking out for us, have been praying for us, have been sharing around the content and have been supporting the movement. We are at 70,000 subscribers and going strong. We are heading to 100,000 by the grace of God before September. Alright, there are a few persons I want to make mention of before I go further. Alright, so big up to Overall Settings Podcast on YouTube. That's a channel that you guys should check out. Alright, big up to Austria Records and the Bully Team. You can check them out on Instagram. That's Austria Records. You can check them out on Instagram. Look at, you always see us having on those t-shirts in the movie. Just check them out. You can look at their products. Alright, want to say big up to Jules. She is one of the person that is supporting the movement in such a way that we really appreciate it. We want to say thanks to her. We want to say thanks to Elaine Foster. She is also a person that have been looking out for what we are doing and supporting the movement. We also want to say thanks to Damien. He is one of our most valiant supporter. He has been with the team for a very long time now in terms of showing support and strength. I want to say thanks to him. The thing is, right now we are putting out a lot of work and we are working on all brand new content. So keep on supporting and thank you very much to everybody that has been supporting the movement and been looking out for us. And if you guys want to donate or support what we're doing, you can always link me up on Instagram. We can talk some more. So big up to everybody, and if I haven't called your name, I am sorry. Just let me know and I can big you up in the next video. Alright, so keep on supporting. Remember to head over to Jamaiwood and support that channel also, because it's one of our next channel, and support the new channel that we have created, Richard Brown BTS, because you don't know, we're just trying to be as diverse as we can. So big up to everybody, big up to all the actors, big up to every single body. You don't know, Richard Brown Films, and I'm out.